Welcome back, smart shoppers! Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones with a head-to-head comparison between the Holystone Mini Drone and the Holystone Drone HS430. Which one will soar to new heights, and which one will come crashing down? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about price. The Holystone Mini Drone is a steal at just $36, making it the budget-friendly option for those looking to dip their toes into the world of drones. On the other hand, the Holystone Drone HS430 comes in at $77. While it's nearly double the price, it promises a lot more features. According to reviewers, the mini drone is great for its price, offering good performance and fun for its size. However, some users have found it a bit fragile. The HS430, despite its higher cost, is praised for its value, offering a robust set of features and a good camera. Now, on to the fun factor. The mini drone comes with toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. Reviewers love the ease of use and the fun tricks it can perform, making it a hit for indoor entertainment. But the HS430 steps up the game with high-speed rotation, trajectory flight, voice control, gesture control, and gravity sensor mode. It's like having a mini aerial acrobat in your hands. Users rave about its versatility and the variety of tricks it can perform, making it more than just a toy. For those new to drones, user-friendliness is key. The mini drone excels with features like altitude hold and headless mode, which reviewers say make it incredibly easy to fly, even for kids. It's like having training wheels for your drone. The HS430, however, isn't far behind with one-key takeoff, landing, emergency stop, and a 3-speed switch. Users appreciate the intuitive controls and the additional safety features, making it a great choice for both beginners and more experienced flyers. Let's see how these drones fare in the battery life category. The mini drone includes 3 batteries, providing up to 21 minutes of flight time. Reviewers find this to be quite generous for its size and price. Meanwhile, the HS430 comes with 2 modular LiPo batteries, offering nearly 30 minutes of flight time. Users love the extended playtime, allowing for longer sessions of fun and exploration. Portability is a big deal when it comes to drones. The mini drone lives up to its name, being small enough to toss in a backpack. Reviewers appreciate its compact size and lightweight design, making it perfect for on-the-go fun. The HS430, despite being larger, is also highly portable thanks to its foldable design. Users love that it can fit in the palm of your hand when folded, making it easy to carry around. Safety is always a priority. The mini drone comes with propeller guards, which reviewers find essential for protecting both the drone and tiny fingers. The HS430 goes a step further with built-in chips for overvoltage protection and a low battery warning sound. Users appreciate these additional safety features, making the HS430 a more secure choice for peace of mind. Summarizing the reviews, the Holystone Mini Drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great entry-level option. The Holystone Drone HS430, while more expensive, is lauded for its extensive feature set, good camera quality, and overall value, appealing to both beginners and more experienced users. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description below. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart.